Stop letting Creo Parametric clutter hijack your working directories. Maintaining your Creo data is quick and easy with CoreCP Cleaner. Any folder can be cleaned with a simple right mouse click. CoreCP Cleaner instantly sweeps all the clutter files and the old versions, but it doesn't simply delete them. It sweeps them to a quarantine where they're held for a configured number of days. CoreCP Restore allows for swept files to be recovered as necessary. Selected files are put back exactly where they came from. Right-click on any folder, show More Options to bring up the right mouse context menu. With Windows 11 and above, if you hold the Shift key down when you right-click, you jump straight to the More Options. If you hold the Shift key down when you select CoreCP Cleaner, it'll automatically jump to the Configuration Editor, where you can adjust the countdown timer, whether or not the sweep occurs at every launch, how many versions you'd like to keep, how long are they held in the quarantine bin, as well as what are the configured clutter files to be removed. Any folder can be designated as a special projects folder. When editing the configuration of the cleaner in a special projects folder, the edited values provide a variance from the default, allowing for full flexibility.